Good morning everyone. আজকে পন্ডিচেরিতে আমাদের সেকেন্ড দিন আর we have a busy day ahead. It's so sunny. প্রচুর রোদ আজকে লিটারালি কিভাবে ঘুরতে যাব I have no idea. Let me put my shoes somewhere. Why is it so sunny? In the sun I can't even take a photo. So we are going for a breakfast right now and it's near to the beach side. So this is the outfit kind of stuff. I don't know, it's very weird looking, but जो भी है अभी let's go and have the breakfast. फिर आके देखती हूँ क्या पहन के घूमने जाती हूँ because this is not I'm going with. So I made a mistake. The restaurant was not on the beach side. It's on the other side where the reception was. So this is the restaurant and I was hoping to going out for a aesthetic cool breakfast, but I'm so damn late. What to do? I have to check out and go to other places to. So here's my food coming. I have ordered a lot of stuff. I have ordered masala uttapam which came with peanut and tomato chutney and coconut chutney. Also, I have ordered some mini idlis. The uttapam was decent and the peanut chutney was not good at all. I couldn't even have it. But indeed, the breakfast with a very good buttermilk juice. Food pics are necessary for Instagram, so clicked a lot of photos. So guys, we are ready for leaving. So this is the OOTD. I just need to make few changes. That's it. So guys, we are checking out. So we are here. We got this guy's contact from our hotel. So we have 45 minutes to 1 hour of time to cover all the 4 places, which includes mangrove forest, fishing harbor, Arika Medu, and the river mouth.
మన స్పీకర్ అది అట్లా పెట్టుకొని రావాలి
So right now we are inside the mangrove forest and you can see it's so beautiful, and I clicked tons of photos over here. This is my first time seeing mangrove, so this experience is totally different. So right now we have reached Arika Medu. Some old movie has been shot over here. That is why this place is famous. इस जगह में ना आधा से ज़्यादा हिस्सा है ही नहीं, बिकॉज इट्स मोर देन 200 years ओल्ड, एंड यहाँ पे आई गेस PS2 मूवी का कोई शूट हुआ था. आई जस्ट टुक फ्यू राउंड फर्स्ट एंड उसके बाद मैं बैठ गई अपना फ़ोटो खींचने के लिए, बिकॉज दैट वाज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टास्क. And this is my final OOTD. I'm sharing this board with another 7 person, and we had 15 minutes of time, but I came back early, so I had to wait for a few minutes. So now we are heading towards our last destination for today's ride. But on the way, we will see the fishing harbor again, but more closely. So this is the new lighthouse of Pondicherry, and today unfortunately it is closed for maintenance purpose, but generally it stays open from 8:30 to 5:30, but in between they do have lunch breaks, I guess. So the next stop for today is Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Cathedral. This place was so big and the inner section was so bright and so peaceful. Literally, I was not ready to leave from there. So all this grey house you see in Pondicherry, they are a part of Aurobindo Ashram, and all the yellow houses you see, they belongs to some French person. Now we are at Our Lady of Angels Church, and this place is bigger than the last place.
उधर कितने साल से?
This church was built in 1855 and it is the fourth biggest church in Pondicherry. So now we are roaming around Rock Beach area, and Rock Beach is very nearby from here. Just you take a right from this road, and the Rock Beach will be there. But the beach area we have explored yesterday night, so now I won't go there. And also, it's very sunny. I don't want to be tanned anymore. So now we are going to see this Ganesh temple in White Town area. The name was very big, so I will just show the name. I looked up for photos of this place and the inside looked insane to me. But unfortunately today it is closed, so I have to go back. Now that it's 2 o'clock, I'm extremely hungry, so just wanted to grab a bite. And I saw this place nearby which has a good review, so just chose this place randomly. So I ordered Mumbai special biryani, also surmai fry, and I loved the food. So now we are here at Auroville Matri Mandir, and you just need to get a pass from inside. Auroville is actually an experimental township which was built in 1968 by a lady called Mira Alfasa.
ऐसा वैसा हुआ है।
तो ये पूरा जो जगह दिखाया हुआ है, दिस इज एक्चुअली Auroville township, the whole area, and we can visit just few of the places. upstairs. So the entry is totally free, but they charged us for our vehicle. To go to Matri Mandir, you need to walk for 2 kilometers, and when you will be coming back, that time you can get a ride. So, guys, I got lucky and got a bus in the midway. So, I didn't walk for 1.5 miles. So, this is the Matri Mandir entrance. The bus will drop you over here, and you will also get the bus from here only. So this is actually the Matri Mandir viewpoint. I thought we can go inside the mandir, but it was not true. So I'm a bit disappointed that I have to see the mandir from this far. So you need to sit here and wait for the bus. So the bus will come from there. So I'll be waiting over here for the bus. I don't know when it will come. Let's see. So while going back, everyone will get a ride back to the center. The bus and the pool cars are very frequent, so you don't need to wait for a very long time.
స్టాండింగ్ ఉండాలి.
So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And now I have to go back to Chennai and see you tomorrow. Bye. Subscribe.